How to check for an unknown part on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, tap on About. From here, go to Coverage Expired as shown. Then, go back and open up Safari. Here, go to account.apple.com. On this page, tap on the downwards arrow at the top right. Then, go to Devices. Here, you can view details for the devices associated with your account. Tap on your device. Scroll down to the About section. You can now view all your device details over here. Following these steps, you can easily check for an unknown part on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.